want to say, I love you so much, Mama. There is something you definitely must have, one of the best gifts of God gave you. Thanks for all that you do. The words are not enough to express the gratitude that you deserve for all that you have done for us. In the past throughout the years, I'm so blessed to have such an amazing mama like you. I love you, Mama. Love, Argon.
Hi, Tita. How are you there? I hope you are fine and in a good condition. It's your special day today, Tita. So I know you are very, very happy. I hope we surprise you ni Martin. Actually, Tita, I'm with Martin Tani Subong message sa imo, but he was not able to come. He's not feeling well and it's late already in the evening to home. So I know may mga surprises man siya naging handa para sa inyo. Just to make you happy, Tita, I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you so much sa mga nabulig mo sa akin and to all the support. Tita, thank you, Ged, sa mga advices mo kung LTO kami ni Martin. Siyempre, kapanugid ko dayon si mo, super message dayon. Tapos ikaw, ara ka, ready to, to help me or ready nga mag-advise sa akon. So, salamat gid. Na-appreciate ko gid tanan to, tita. And I know nga love mo gid ang mga children mo, especially si Martin. And I hope we surprise you. Ang lang na, tani tita, safe ka lang da perme. Tapos, tani, you're in a good health lang perme. I always pray nga tani, syempre, na-share mo masakon about sa imong sakit or mga consultation mo or check-ups. Tani, maging okay lang ang result ng colonoscopy mo if ever. Okay. Thank you so much, Tita. Muna yung ginagambal ko. And God bless. Tani, happy bigay ko muna daw. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello, isa ko tigag. Pero, tali, nalabihan naman kita. Thank you. Happy birthday.